Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy at your home. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about capital and small letters A to Z. Capital and small letters A to Z. So today we will do one exercise related to alphabets. Okay, so everyone take out your English pre-primer book, open page number 1010, mention the date and classwork here. Come to question number A. Now let's read the question first. Look at the pictures below and write the alphabet with which it starts. So kids, what you have to do, you have to look all the pictures carefully and you have to write the alphabet with which it starts. For example, look over here. This is a picture of an apple. An apple. So spelling of apple starts with letter A. Okay, that means letter A. So you have to write here letter A. First you have to write capital letter A, then here you have to write small letter A. So like this you have to do this exercise. Okay, now everyone take out your pencil and hold it properly. Come to first one. So look over here kids. What is this? This is a picture of an apple. Okay, so spelling of apple starts with letter A. Okay, so we have to write here letter A. First we will write capital letter A. So look over here kids. Let's write capital letter A. Draw slanting line. One more slanting line. And sleeping line inside it. This is capital letter A. Now here we have to write small letter A. So draw standing line like this, then join one small curve. Like this, small curve. In between these two lines only. Now move to next one. Now kids, tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a fish. This is a picture of a fish. And kids, can you tell me, fish lives in a water. Where fish lives? Fish lives in a water. Okay, so this picture is of a fish. So spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. So which is the beginning letter? It's F. Okay, so we have to write here capital letter F and here we have to write small letter F. So let's write capital letter F first. So draw one standing line. Okay, then sleeping line. Here one more sleeping line. Here like this. This is capital letter F. Now here we have to write small letter F. So we have to start from here like this. Then standing line. Then one sleeping line on it. Okay. This is fish. So we have to write here first letter, that is letter F. Okay, now move to third one. Now tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of a lamp. This is a picture of a lamp. Spelling of lamp starts with, it's L. L-A-M-P, lamp. So first letter is letter L. So we have to write here capital letter L and here we have to write small letter L. So let's write. First we have to write capital letter L. So look over here. draw standing line. Okay, then sleeping line. Like this. Now let's write small letter L. So for that we have to draw standing line. Like this. Okay kids, now come to fourth one. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of a rose. This is a picture of a rose. What is the spelling of rose? It's R-O-S-E. So what is the first letter? It's R. So we have to write here capital letter R. Then here we have to write small letter r. Okay, so let's write capital letter R first. Now we have to write here capital letter R. So first we have to draw standing line. Okay, then curve, then slanting line from here. Like this. This is capital letter R. Now here we have to write small letter r. So draw standing line, come up with the same line and turn like this. Now come to next one. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of a sun. This is a picture of a sun. So what is the spelling? Now come to fifth one. Which picture is this? This is a picture of sun. This is a picture of sun. So what is the spelling of sun? It's S-U-N, sun. So what is the first letter of the spelling? It's S. So here we have to write capital letter S and here we have to write small letter s. So let's write capital letter S first. Small curve, one more curve in the opposite direction like this. Now let's write small one. Small curve, one more curve in opposite direction like this. Now come to last one. Now what is this? This is a picture of xylophone. This is a picture of xylophone. X for xylophone. So this spelling starts with X. This spelling starts with X. So here we have to write capital letter X and here we have to write small letter x. So let's write, first we will write capital letter X. So draw one slanting line, one more slanting line like this. Let's draw one slanting line, one more slanting line. Okay, so this is capital letter X. Now let's write small letter x. So here we have to draw slanting line, one more slanting line from here like this. This is small letter x. Okay, so kids, like this you have to do question number A of page number 10 in your English pre-primer books. Everyone take care. Bye-bye.